girl Sassy Jordan. So today I will be doing a slick back ponytail with a side part. So first what I'm doing is I'm about to take out my hair. Don't mind me because I usually don't use scrunchies on my hair because it breaks off your hair. Well, it tangles it up and I don't like that. So what I normally do the night before is from getting out the shower, I don't wrap my hair up. I let the mist go inside my hair and I let it soften it up. And I use coconut oil, the natural, just comes in a big jar, and my Creamy Nature Moisture and Shine Activator, which combs it out. But I didn't feel like doing it last night because, I was just tired or whatever. So I'm basically doing the same method as I do at night, using the Moisture and Shine Curl Activator in my coconut oil, and I'm just dampening it a little bit with some water. So as you see, that section was way too big. So I had to break it up and comb it out. As y'all can see, I was getting into my music.
You won't baby, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my Shareeee to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open.
So yeah, I'm doing the same thing I would do with the other that I did with the other section of my hair to the back of my hair. Go Jordan, go Jordan.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my Shareeee to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression.
As y'all can see, the coconut oil is really thick, so before applying to your hair, let it in the palm of your hand for like 3 seconds just to loosen it up. Or you could put it in a microwave before, or just like let it get a little warm so it can soften up. So now y'all, I am done combing out my hair. As you can see, my rice water and my wild growth is working. So now it's the slick back time. I am actually doing my part to how slanted I want it to be. So yep, I'm just parting my slanted part, yep. Y'all, like, that wild growth of rice water is like really working.
Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up smoking up.
So y'all, as y'all can see, I'm really trying to get my part like really good, because I hate when people's parts are not straight and they have a big old clump of dandruff just sitting there. So I make sure my scalp is scraped, greased, and part is straight.
Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up.
So now I am applying my Creamy Nature Moisture and Shine Curl Activator Cream. to it, and I am combing it out so to make sure I'm not just brushing on tangles. I'm actually brushing on hair, just not tangles. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And so now I'm just gonna brush it. And then after that, I'm going to put my gel on and then my coconut oil. Now, y'all, I know y'all gonna see bits of coconut oil in my hair, but trust and believe I got it out after this video. Or it submerged or it melted in my head. One of the two. Because it's coconut oil. It's gonna melt when it get hot. It's just like wax. Boy, y'all see them curls? I'm making y'all seasick and dizzy, boy.
Take the high road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN.
So now I am putting my hair in the ponytail. So y'all, if y'all watch my previous videos, go check out my other videos. My 2 posts, my Hungry Howie's mukbang, my, let's see, what was another one? Just go check it out and see. But if you watch those videos, you know that I don't use scrunchies. I use these wraparound things. So all you have to do is hook it, wrap it around, hook, boom, bam, boosha. You are done. So now I got my soft brush to make sure all my frizzies are brushed down or whatever. And I am pulling out my sideburns because, you know, when doing your hair, you got to have the sideburns, the front and the back one, and the edges done. And I'm combing out my ponytail so I could do this bun. Now, y'all did not do my bun properly. I should have never used that rubber band. I should have used bobby pins. I am going to admit to that. Okay, like, I'm admitting to it that I did that wrong. So now I'm just going with either the cream, between the two of the cream, my cream hair lotion and my gel, and making sure that it is slick. And then I'm going to go back over it with my coconut oil so my hair won't be dry from the gel.
The doors OPN. Take the high road and hop in. First impression.
And I use my soft brush to make it sit back when I sit in the ponytail.
If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN. Take the high road and hop in. First impression. You OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN.
What I used to keep my sideburns activated and being combed out was the Cream of Nature Moisture Shine Curl Activated Cream, water, and just a touch. Easy like little I know. Now I'm slaying the edges, honey.
Open you up like Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for Pokeball. Let your emotions.
Some styles I like to use my edges brush, and some styles I like to use the finger waves comb. And this particular one, I want to use my finger wave comb.
Open you up like Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications.
So basically, y'all, this is just wrapping up the videos, because once I get done with my sideburns, what am I talking about? Let me shut up.
Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN. Take the high road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down.
So y'all, now I'm doing my back sideburns. I did my front, I did my edges. Now I'm doing my back sideburns.
Cold as ice and cold love. I open up.
So now y'all, I'm about to just look at my hair, make sure there's not anything else I need to do. But that wraps up this video. I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe. Tell your family members and everybody about my videos, please. And please subscribe and like my videos and tell everybody about it. And I'm gonna keep popping up with the videos regardless. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on slow motion for y'all. Slow motion for me. Bye bye.